How to type with voice on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for your phone. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Scroll down and turn on the Enable Dictation option in the English section. Tap on Enable Dictation to confirm. Dictation sends information like your voice input, contacts, and location to Apple when necessary for processing your requests. Now, go back and open up Messages. Open any chat from here. Go to the text bar and then tap on the microphone icon at the bottom right corner. As you can see, you can now type with your voice over here. Then, tap on the arrow icon to send it. Following these steps, you can easily type with voice on iPhone.